Rising global food demand has been continuously creating pressure on farming community to get higher yield, which has led to sharp increase in usage of synthetic chemical fertilizer and pesticide in the field for quick results. Extensive use of synthetic chemicals in field, quality of soil and per acre productivity has been degrading year on year. Due to poor quality of soil, farming community has been going through economic pressure for increased usage of pest management chemical inputs and harmful synthetic chemicals for crop nutrition management. 6 major challenges are being faced by farming community these days: how to increase crop yield, how to increase quality of yield, how to maintain fertility and quality of soil, how to reduce usage of synthetic fertilizer and crop medicines, how to improve return of investment per acre, how to reduce costs involved in farming. IndiAgri presents solution to these challenges of farming community with reliable, affordable, highly effective and result-oriented agri-input products which are 100% organic and natural without a single trace of synthetic chemical in it. IndiAgri is extremely committed to deliver highly efficient result-oriented agri-input solutions prepared from various Ayurvedic plant extracts which leaves no residue of harmful metals or chemicals in field and helps improve quality and quantity of produce. Major categories of IndiAgri products: 1. Organic growth promoters. 2. Organic soil conditioners. 3. Organic crop protection liquid. 4. Silicon sticker spreader, activator performance maximizer. Let us get the detailed knowledge about the products. 1. Agri Booster Growth Promoter. Agri Booster is a well-researched and developed combination of humic acid, amino acid, seaweed, fulvic acid and mixture of all essential growth micronutrients-based plant growth regulator which helps boost soil condition, maintains luxurious growth of plants and helps protect plant from environmental stress. Benefits: 1. Rich source of trace minerals which helps provides balanced nutrition to the plant. 2. Improves overall fertility of the soil by providing essential micro and macroorganic matter. 3. Helps to maintain soil pH and its water holding capacity. 4. Increases crop yield by 10 to 40%. 5. Enhances fruiting and flowering ability and increases seed germination rate. 6. Stimulates root growth and development. 7. Reduces fruit and flower drop. 8. It helps improve foliage, texture and color of vegetation. 9. There is no health hazard effect to human and animals due to non-toxicity. Dosage: mix 50 megaliters of this formulation with 15 liters of water for all crops for spray application. Mix 500 ml 750 ml of this formulation with 150 liters for drip drench application. 2. Crop KAVACH Crop Protection Chemical. Crop KAVACH functions as plant protector and removes pests and insects from its root cause. Along with fungal, viral and bacterial diseases, Crop KAVACH controls spread of any other diseases and helps in its plant's healthy growth. Benefits: 1. Protects plants from thrips, mites, larvae, suck pests, white fly and various other pests, fungal and viral diseases. 2. Eradicates most of crop plant diseases from its root cause and stops any sort of its further development. 3. It maintains natural quality of food plant and no trace of any toxic chemical will be found in your plant. 4. It helps to maintain fertility of soil, its fruiting and flowering capability. 5. It helps maintain foliage, texture and color of vegetation. 6. There is no health hazard effect to human due to non-toxicity. 7. It helps reduce harmful residue in environment which causes pollution and helps develop healthy ecosystem. 8. Economical compared to traditional chemical pesticide. Dosage: mix 50 milliliters of crop KAVACH with 15 liters of water for all crops in spray application. Should not be used in drip and drench application. How to use? Crop KAVACH is used by only spray application. For spray, make sure application is done during morning evening time. Make sure it is mixed properly in pump water tank for 30 minutes. Don't spray in cloudy atmosphere, rainy atmosphere. 3. Soil Charger Plus Soil Conditioner. Description: Soil Charger Plus is a well-researched and developed soil conditioner which helps boost soil condition, maintains luxurious growth of plants and helps protect plant from viral infection, insects, fungus and various other diseases. It's a well-researched formulation with balance of nutrients, growth elements and trace elements available in nature to improve quality of soil and make it more fertile and productive. It removes any sort of diseases from soil and makes soil more productive. Improved soil quality helps in higher uptake of essential nutrients required for growth of crop. Benefits: 1. It adds essential nutrients to soil and makes it more fertile and productive. 2. Improves aeration and water holding capacity of soil. 3. Improves plant root development of crops. 4. Helps in maintaining pH balance. 5. Reduces harmful pests and diseases from soil. 6. Improves immunity power of crops and helps protect them against various diseases. 7. Alternative solution to urea and DAP. 8. Helps reduce usage of pesticide and other medicines. 9. There is no harmful effect on humans and animals since there are no heavy metals and harmful chemicals used in formulation of this product. Dosage: mix 1000 ml of Soil Charger Plus to 150 liters of water for 1 acre application via drip, drench method. How to use Soil Charger Plus should be well mixed with water and kept for 30 minutes before application. Soil Charger can be mixed with any soil application manure fertilizer. 4. IndiAgri 90 Performance Maximizer. Description: IndiAgri 90 is a well-researched and developed crop performance maximizer which reduces water surface tension and helps crop chemicals to spread, stick, penetrated better. Benefits: 1. IndiAgri 90 reduces surface tension and makes water wetter. It also helps water penetrate the soil faster and more evenly. 2. It helps the pesticide spread better and hence gives better disease control. 3. Helps keep pesticide in suspension. Often the pesticide may not mix really well with water and separates rather quickly. When IndiAgri 90 is added to the pesticide solution according to the directions, it helps keep pesticide dispersed so that separation problems are greatly reduced or eliminated entirely. 4. IndiAgri 90 contains low foaming surfactant which is both non-ionic, having no electrical charge, and biodegradable, able to be broken into simpler compounds by natural biological action. 5. IndiAgri 90 is a performance maximizer which offers farmers an excellent opportunity to increase their crop yields. Dosage: mix 5 ml of this formulation with 15 liters of water and any sort of pesticide, insecticide, fungicide, viricide, growth regulators for all crops for spray application. And 150 megaliters for drip application. Mix 80 megaliters in water tank for herbicide application. Friends, agriculture, as we all know, is the backbone of our country and our farmers are working very hard in the fields. IndiAgri products are contribution of ISU towards our farmers. These products are totally effective, harmless and economic, giving long-term benefits. Do try them without giving a second thought because health comes first. India starts up. Thanks you watch this video till the end. If you like the information and our products, then please hit the like button. Share this video with your friends, family, team and farmers. For more videos please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.